Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're doing the part 2 of the Korean beginners makeup thingy, and today we're gonna focus on brows and eyes. So let's get started. So you want to keep your brows fairly straight or a little rounded, but just like more soft on the softer end. And I'm gonna start by elongating my brows and making them look longer than what they actually are. When it comes to the front of my brows, I still want to keep the straightness. I'm going to be drawing little lines on the top of my brows and still blending them out lightly, just so I can still keep the front of my brows looking very feathered and blended, and trying not to make them look too crowded. Now I'm going to be concealing, so I'm going to conceal on the front, on the back, and on the top where my arch would be. And I'm gonna blend it out with the sponge. So basically what this helps is, it helps in making my eyebrows look much straighter. Now I'm gonna be prepping my eyes with the concealer and blending it out with the sponge. So for this eyeshadow look, you would need an eyeshadow palette and two brushes. One of them is going to be a blending brush and the other one is going to be a small sturdy brush like this. Now dipping into the lighter shade of your eyeshadow palette, you're going to apply it all over your lids and blending it out. Now dipping into a darker shade, you're going to be applying it to your double eyelid area. So when you look in front, you know how much space is there, right? So you're gonna apply it right there, and then dipping into the lighter shade again, you're gonna be blending it out. Now dipping into the darker shade, you're gonna apply at the corner of your eyes and blending it out. Now dipping into the darker shade with the smaller brush and taking the excess out, you're gonna be working on the triangle zone of your eyes. So what you want to do is apply it in a very straight manner and make sure that you're doing it very slowly and using lesser color at once. And then dipping into the darker color, you're going to do the same thing and try not to meet with the upper eyeshadow. And then taking an eyeliner, I'm going to be tight lining my eyes. And now taking a shimmer shadow, I'm going to be applying it to the very center of my eyes and blending it out. Now I'm going to be making a tiny wing. And blending it out with the darkest shade again. So the point here is you want to make it look more softer, more blurred out. And if you feel like it's too blurred, then you can sharpen it up with a pen eyeliner. Now I'm going to be taking a nude stick. You can take a concealer or the same shimmer shadow, and you want to apply it to the plim area. When you smile, you can see a little plim, and you want to apply it right there. And then you want to blend it out a little bit, make it look a little more softer. And that's it, you're done.